And another breaking news now coming in. The Punjab SC Commission has summoned the Haryana DGP over IPS Y Puran Kumar's suicide, which took place on the 13th. With the Haryana IPS suicide case fallout, Punjab SC body has now summoned the Haryana DGP. He will be summoned on the 13th of October is what we understand. My colleague Gurpreet Singh Chinna now joins us to get us more on this. Gurpreet, take us through the latest.
Well, first of all, I'll request my viewer to show these pictures from ground at this point of time. Punjab Chief Minister, he is visiting the family, he's meeting the family, and since morning we have seen a lot of development which has been taken place here. A lot of political leaders, they had come here to meet the family, and after that meeting the family, they have raised a multiple question over the state government, saying that why the action is not being taken so far, because for the last some days we have seen the family has been struggling for the justice, and the family has already put the condition before the state government, because in writing a letter has already been given by the wife of a deceased IPS officer, in which she has alleged that Haryana DGP as well as SP has the main role, a prime role for taking him to this extreme step. So after that we have seen today there is a development. SP has already been transferred from Rohtak, and now he is waiting for the post, but at the same time the state government is not taking any action against the DGP, and that is the only prime demand from the family side. The family says till the time the government is not going to take decision against the DGP, they are not going and pursuing the post-mortem of the deceased IPS officer. In the morning we have seen a lot of development had been taken when the Chandigarh police they had taken this dead body from sector 16 hospital, government hospital, to the PGI. After the family had also raised several questions, because they say they did not get consent from the family members while shifting the body from the sector 16 hospital to the PGI for the post-mortem. So let's see what will be the next action of the Haryana government, how this logjam between the Haryana government and the family will be broken in the coming days. But as of now we have seen the family has already made it very clear, till the time the state government is not going to take any action against the DGP, they are not going to pursue for the procedure of post-mortem. Once again I'll request my viewer to show the Punjab Chief Minister. He is coming back after meeting and he is going to interact with the media person. But since morning we have seen a lot of questions which are being raised by the opposition leaders, specifically Congress leaders. They have visited the family and they say why the justice has not been delivered, and what is the compulsion of Haryana government, why they are not taking action when a complaint by the wife of the IPS deceased IPS officer has been given to police. So we have to wait and watch how the things will be unfolded in the coming days. Back to studio.